Somatics is the study of the movement through sensations and perceptions. We want to be very conscious about how do we move. When we get into that consciousness, we are talking about our sixth sense, which is called kinesthesia. And kinesthesia, it's the sense of movement. So basically we work with touch because feeling and moving, they are not separate. And we feel through the sense of touch as well. A dancer since I was 8 years old, and I was dancing with a lot of, I would say, classical techniques, some contemporary techniques, but I start sometimes to ask myself why I was moving and how my body is organized. And then somatics really bring me a tool to understand not just the physical plane of the body, but really like the emotional plane and the spiritual plane of the body.